Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstracted. 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 Abstracted is an adjective used to describe a state of being mentally distant, preoccupied, or lost in thought, often to the point of not paying full attention to one's surroundings or tasks. It implies a lack of awareness due to deep thinking or distraction. Here are some examples. Example number 1. She seemed abstracted during the meeting, as if her mind was elsewhere. Why abstracted is used in example number 1. Abstracted describes her state of being mentally distant and not fully engaged in the meeting. Example number 2. The professor appeared abstracted in class, as if he was contemplating a complex problem. Why abstracted is used in example number 2. Abstracted is used to suggest that the professor was mentally preoccupied with a problem. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.